In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into eToro. But before that, it's me, which Kevin, and you're watching Want to Step YouTube channel. Everybody, welcome back to our channel, and we are back with another brand new crypto-related video. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys, don't know what eToro is a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto, and not just crypto, you guys can also buy stocks in it. It's basically the world's largest broker, right? So if you guys want to log in into it, you guys can follow the step which I'm about to show you. So the first step is you want to search for eToro. Once you search for eToro, basically you want to click on this over here where it says eToro.com. You want to click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of eToro. You need to wait for some time until it loads up. Once it loads up, you want to click on where it says click here to log in. You just want to click on it and it's going to take you to the login page. Once you're over here, you want to enter a username or an email over here. So I want to enter my username. So I've entered my username. After entering the username, I'm going to enter the password of my account. Just like this, after entering the password, just click on sign in. And yeah, if you guys have created your account using Apple ID, Facebook, or your Google, you want to click on these three options at the bottom just below or over here. And after that, it's going to ask you for your Facebook or your Apple or your Google ID. You want to provide that ID, and after that, you're basically good to go. But if you created an eToro account like separately, not linked with your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, then you need to enter a username or email over here and your password. Click on sign in. Once you click on it, if your information typed over here is correct, then basically you should be able to log in into your account just like this. I have done it. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. You guys are watching Want to Step YouTube channel, and I'm signing out.